Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide folder on Samsung Music. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Music app on this phone. I'm going to go to my Samsung folder, and this is my Samsung Music, and I'm going to show you how we can hide a specific folder in the Samsung Music app. So if we want to if we want to hide folder, we need to go to the folder menu. You can scroll all the way to the right around here until you find the folders. Okay, and these are my folders in my Samsung Galaxy phone. And then I'm going to hide one of them. I'm going to hide, for example, this folder. I don't want to listen to the audio from this folder, guys, so I'm going to hide it. So whenever I play my playlist, this folder or the audio in this folder won't appear on my Samsung Music. Okay, if we want to hide folder, we can click on these three dots and then you can select hide folders and then choose the folder you want to hide. Here I have already made this folder hidden, the quick share folder, and I'm going to make this folder hidden as well. I'm going to hide it. So we just need to select like that and then click on apply. Okay, now the TTS folder has been hidden, and I'm going to check it on my track list. Okay, in this track list, there is no audio from the TTS folder because the folder has been hidden. And then if we want to unhide the folder, we just need to go back to the folders menu, select the three dots, and then select hide folders, and then you can uncheck the folder. Okay, like this, and then we can click on apply. Okay, and now the TTS folder is back, and these are the audio from the TTS folder, and I'm going to check it again in my track list. Okay, and as you can see that the audio from the TTS folder have been back. Okay guys, and that's all the way to hide folder on the Samsung Music app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!